If you're a current Australian Year 12 student and you've submitted a UAC undergraduate application, you can apply for an early offer through the school's recommendation scheme. If you are completing Year 12 in another state or you're an IB student, tell us where you completed your Year 11 studies. Then follow the prompts to submit your application. Your undergraduate application will tell you that you need to upload your Year 11 report. Different schools produce different types of reports, so follow the link here to see the Year 11 report requirements. To upload your report, click on the Qualifications tab and locate your Year 11 qualification. Follow the prompts to upload your report as a PDF. If your school's recommendation scheme application displays a notification that your school is not yet participating in SRS, submit your application anyway, and then ask your school principal to email srs@uac.edu.au to register. You can also email srs@uac.edu.au if you have any questions.